Oh, hey. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. This is actually some lip gloss that I just purchased from this new beauty supply store that I went to yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not feeling it. So hold on one second. Yeah, why some lipsticks make you feel like Betty Boop? Especially when you lick your lips. That happens when you lick your lip. This is very sticky and it's a matte. But it's not, I mean, it's all right. It's all right. What you think? Okay, guys, so this video is going to be about me. I am actually about to wash. Well, I'm supposed to use the good terms. I'm about to shampoo and interlock my hair. You guys, I actually interlock my hair every 6 months, and January and June is my 6 months. So I got my stuff together, and like I said, every 6 months I interlock my hair. And the reason why I do that, just because personal preference, I like to be able to get my foundation nice and sturdy. I find that interlock can make that happen, because I go sometimes a little long in between times getting my hair retwisted. Now I still maintain my hair, make sure all the parts are nice and separated, but I don't retwist my hair often. It's so crazy, because when I first started, when I say, you guys, I was retwisted, I was on it, but it's like the more I get, I'm not gonna say everybody, you just kind of just get like lazy. Like I don't even feel like doing interlocking my hair. A long time ago when I first started, y'all, I would be in my hair all the time. But now I was like so tempted to just, I'm not gonna even say it, but I'm gonna show you guys what I was tempted to do. I was like, oh, yeah, but I'm not gonna do that, because I am super happy that my hair has gotten as long as it has. I want to let you guys see it. It has gotten really, really long. Very healthy. It's the healthiest that it's ever been since I've been young. Like my mom, she had my hair all healthy, but once I started taking over and doing crazy stuff with it, it wasn't healthy. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to show you what I mean by, so you see all that loose hair? Some of my locks grow with, some of my new growth grow with my locks, and some of it grow away from my locks. And that's how some of them are. So to me, that's why I said, you guys, I like to interlock. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick what I'm twerking with. I have not retwisted. Like sometimes I retwist the front and give a fake retwist. Sometimes I retwist the back. I can't even really tell you when the last time I retwisted, but I say, like, to be honest with you, it's good to retwist at least every 2 months when you are locked, just to kind of keep that foundation good. Sometimes when you go longer without that type of maintenance, it can make the lock and the integrity of the lock not so strong. And you can always go in and use a crochet hook and all that good stuff. But if you just keep your integrity of your lock good, you'll be all good. So just always think about that when you go without retwisting, because I have a lot of new growth. I don't know if you can see it. It's probably like about from here to there. So it's time. So just wanted to show you guys my locks real quick before I interlock them. Let me know, guys, how often do you interlock your hair? Again, I do mine every 6 months, and I retwist kind of whenever I feel like it. Like when I feel it needs to. It's not, I don't have a set time to do that, but I just find my locks are so much better when I interlock them as well. So I retwist and interlock. So guys, I'm about to go in there to get these. I'm gonna take all these beads off. I like to take all the beads off before I shampoo my hair. I really like to shampoo my hair like a couple days ahead of time before I interlock or retwist, but I've been so busy slash just not feel liking it. So now I feel like it. I'm gonna take all these off, get a good shampoo, interlock, and I'll come back to you guys and show you the end results. And leave in the comments below, y'all, if y'all have gotten kind of lazy with the retwisting and interlocking. Not lazy with the maintenance, because like I said, you got to still maintain your hair because you want to keep your integrity good. But to be honest with you too, guys, I like this look. I am into Afro locks. Like there's all different type of locks. You got the manicure locks, you got the Afro locks, you got the semi-free form, you got the free form. So if you are about to lock, make sure you look into that so you can see what locks you like and how you like to maintain them. And you can always change up, like for real. But anyway, I'll be back. Bye guys.